Sure. So my name is Luke. We're located in Melbourne, Australia, and my business name is called G Detail Melbourne. So that's where
Okay.
we're located. We're in Australia.
Boom. So, what was the biggest challenge you were facing before joining Rocket Detailer, and how did that affect you?
I said the biggest challenge was my finances, not being able to save enough money. I had a mortgage. I was paying rent. I was essentially losing money day to day, right? And at the end of the month, I would calculate it, and I was losing so much money that I had to make moves. I had no options, right? I was trying to figure out what I know, what I can do best, right? And I had a background in detailing, but it wasn't something that I was doing mobile, right? And then I reached out to you, man, and drastically changed my outlook, my perspective, especially my financial account, man. Like, I mean, I'm so glad that I'm able to look at my account and I have funds. I have something that I can sort of fall back onto so then I can expand the business.
So, I think we generated you in the last few months while you're part-time working your job. It was, you said it earlier, say it again. How much was spent on ads, and how much did that generate you in revenue?
So we spent 2,800 on ads, but we've made gross about 42 to $45,000 from Rocket Detailing, and we've only been doing this for about, I'd say, less than 6 months, and
Oh,
we've generated that much money
and you're
by
part-time.
myself, by the way.
Crazy. What do you think the next few years will look like if we keep this rolling consistently?
Well, I'm hoping for the next 6 months, right? So I like to do a 6 to 12 month plan. So within the next 6 months, I have to have anywhere between 3 to 4 employees. They essentially go out in the field, technicians. They do what they have to do. I'm in the office making calls, working on social media. In terms of revenue gain, gross revenue, I'm hoping to make at least on a monthly basis, right? Because I don't want to overshoot my shot. But the goal is to generate anywhere between, if you have like maybe one or two employees in the beginning, anywhere between 12 to 25,000 and potentially even more depending on the line of work that we receive. And obviously ad spend makes a huge difference, right? So if we're spending about 25 to $50 a day, that can correlate into, I don't know how much work, probably a lot of work because we're making phone calls, right? So that is essentially the goal, to hire people that are experienced as well. That'd be great. Obviously, if it's an experience, that's not a big deal. That's fine. I'll go out in the field and they can use the equipment, they can learn, but that is essentially what I'm looking at in terms of a 6 month plan. So we're in winter right now. This is August. So I'd say by the time we hit the December, which is at about what, 4.5, 5 months away, maybe even January. That's the goal. That is my goal.
How many hours a week were you working at your job, and how much were you doing in sales with your detailing business before Rocket Detailer, and what does it look like now?
So that's the thing. I wasn't really doing any sales before Rocket Detailing. I wasn't even making any money. I wasn't doing anything. I was sort of embedded on, at that point, relying on Facebook Marketplace, but I knew for a fact that wasn't the key because you get a lot of dodgy jobs, right? And I was also working at IKEA. I had like an overnight job between 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. and the money it wasn't that good. And in terms of that, my sleeping patterns were just terrible. And so I had to improvise. Like I was losing money each month, man. So it was just, if you extrapolate how much income has come in since I actually joined, Rocket Detailing, it is tenfold. I'd say even more. Like I can't explain how much in terms of the amount of revenue that has come through, and now the possibility to expenditure, they'll actually hire subcontractors or employees. If the opportunities are there, because I can advertise within about half an hour, within 30 to 60 minutes, and I'll have jobs trickling in. Like I'll have jobs coming in like instantaneously. Like I'll have people reaching out, like, "Oh, can you detail my car?" I'm like, "Oh, I'm over here. Can you And it's just the work is there. The work will always be there, which is just I can't explain that because I always assumed it was like it's easy said than done. Then when you advertise, the work does come in, and you think, "Wow, like it's this you guys aren't kidding around."
There we go, man. Man, you changed your life. I appreciate the comments. You changed your life, because you this is what happened. It was inside of you the whole time. We just had to activate it by investing, getting the proper help and everything. So, man, with that being said, Luke, final words. What would you say to anybody who was serious about detailing full time and hitting big numbers in their business? What are you saying to them?
I say go for it because look, like I said, you got nothing to lose. If you want to take this chance, do it. It'll drastically change your life. And I'm not saying this just to. I say this because it's legitimate and it's drastically changed my life. I'd say it's better to invest that within yourself, that prior investment, because it'll come back tenfold, maybe even more, really depending on your commitment level. But I kid you not, you need to take this chance because time is the definitive factor. You won't get that time back. I value my time. In my 20s, obviously you learn this, you learn that, you try to figure out and gather your bearings on the world. But if you take this chance, you won't regret it. That's all I'm going to say is that you won't regret this decision because it's helped me tenfold.
Thank you, Luke. You should still be fine. You're in Australia. You'll be good. So, yeah, what would you say to anybody on the fence about working with Rocket Detailer, or nervous, skeptical? What would you say to anybody who's serious about hitting 20, 10, 20, 50, 100K a month, working with a team? What would you say to them?
I'd say time is a definitive factor in your approach. What do I mean by that? You should take the chance because you have nothing to lose, right? Because what I did was I took that chance. Looking back at it now, I'm kicking myself that I didn't do this earlier. Like I didn't start this a year ago. Because imagine where I would be now if I started this 1 year ago. But instead I started this 6 months ago, right? I probably have a full out company. I probably have a lot more employees. I'd be working from home. I'd be making a lot more. Like, I mean, the sky's the limit, right? If anybody's is on the fence, because look, I was on the fence at one point, and then I took that chance. I took that shot. And look, online there are, you see a lot. You just hear stories, this and that. You may be a little bit skeptical. I'm 100% on this. This has definitely changed my life, just in terms of my finances, my relationships, my perspective. I have a lot more free time now, which is just amazing. I can dictate my own hours. I can work whenever I want to. I'm hiring employees now. This is just, it seems too good to be true, but I kid you not, it's legit. It's a legitimate thing that's actually changed my life. I'm
Man,
still,
dude,
I'm still,
you
yeah,
go
which
ahead,
is crazy.
go ahead.
Yeah, yeah, and you know it's crazy. Like I'm looking at I like I mentioned before that I changed apartments, right? And my previous apartment was good, but it was my first apartment. Now that I've changed apartments, I'm looking at my view. Would it be cool if I show you guys like the view from my
Go ahead.
apartment right now?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's do it.
Yeah, that's it right there, man.
Boom. Oh my God, downtown. Nice. How does this compare to that's beautiful, man. How does this compare to your previous spot?
Oh, dude, before like the rent, like I'm not hating, but before I didn't really have a view, and I wasn't paying that much in terms of rent. But now that I can afford to move, I'm telling you right now, I wake up every morning now just grateful
Nah,
and with a sense of humility, like the possibilities are endless, and who knows what could happen. Yeah, 6 months. So yeah, I get to wake up to this every day, which is just crazy, man. I'm just like motivated to just keep on doing this, which is just great. And if not for you, man, if you Ryan and the team and Brian and everybody, man, I don't think I'd be in this situation. Seriously.